I'm going to show you how to install an optical drive like this one in your computer. To begin, you'll need a computer, obviously, and the optical drive that you wish to swap out. Located on the back or on the side, there are screws that come off that allow you to remove the computer case. You'll need to take these off. And once you get these off, then remove the case of the computer. Next, you'll need to locate the optical drive cables. And you also need to locate the screws that hold the optical drive in. Then you'll need to remove these screws so that the optical drive can be removed from the case. Once you have got the screws removed, the drive should be free to move out, and make sure you remove the cables. Then fully remove the drive from the case. Then place the new drive in the same way. Then connect the cables, the data, as well as the power. And sometimes the cables are slightly difficult to get back on due to the size of the case. Once you get the cables on, then you'll screw these screws back in. And I'm putting the screws in different this time because the screws were difficult to get out by them both being on the same side. So I'm putting one screw on one side and one screw on the other side. Depending on your computer configurations or the case, the way it is designed, you may only have access to one side of the case. This one I have access to both sides, so I'll put a screw in, one screw on each side. Since you have the case open, you want to check for dust and make sure no cables are interfering with any moving parts like fans or something similar. The computer cases have a tendency to harbor dust, and small dust bunnies, pieces of hair frequently get caught in. Then you can put the case back on. And once you get it on, then screw the screws that hold the case in back on as well. And now you have completed the installation of a new optical drive. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you would like instant notifications, click the bell.